So I say, forget all these little isms on the side. Just keep your mind straight and make your choice tonight. We have chosen to serve the Lord. What is his name? I am. And I believe he will unveil himself within me. And eventually I will stand in my own presence and know it to be infinite love. I know it to be God the Father by revelation. I will know it to be God the Father by revelation, not by persuasion, not by argument. I will know it because he unveils it. Who unveils it? You unveil it. It's all you. You became this for a purpose. And the purpose is hidden until the end. In the end, you see it. So you live by the name of God. Don't turn to the left. Don't turn to the right. Become a witness against yourself that you have chosen to serve the Lord. And the Lord's name is I am. That's his name. He'll take you through all the things. Yes, infirmities, yes, but use a little wine. When you come up against these things, use a little wine. I'll also take a bottle of wine. Take what you know concerning the psychological truth and use it. As you use it, you are turning it into wine. The rock is your 3D environment, the stone. Psychological understanding, the water, is your mind. Some people call it the devil mind. It's double-minded for sure. It's the opposite world. It's the dualism of the rock. The water is the psychological understanding. The practice is the wine. Practicing in his name is drinking the wine. Take a little wine. When you come up against these things, use a little wine. I'll also take a bottle of wine. Take what you know concerning the psychological truth and use it. As you use it, you are turning it into wine. Oh, how I've heard the arguments about water and wine out of the Bible. Oh boy. Such literal-minded folk. The rock. So, his first great marriage feast was jars made of stone filled with water. And the water turns to wine. So here you have the literal truth, the facts of life. So when he said the Father and I are one, they took of stones to stone him.